Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Chevrolet Equinox LT. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 1.5-liter i4 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 119,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 25 miles per gallon in the city, and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, window defogger, Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, and OnStar. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.